say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then thank you for tuning in. My name is Leanne and this is Ruby, my stepdaughter, and we have been in quarantine now for a week and a half. And today we are gonna do some quarantine cleaning. Now, my bathroom cleans I do separately. So I'm just mainly doing the living area today and the bedrooms. So do you have anything to say, Ruby?
I do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and hopefully you'll find some tips for in the future.
Yeah. So grab your snacks
And get comfy.
and let's do some cleaning, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. Days on end, I see my mistake. I'm out of patience. Come out and say it, that it's over now, so I can stop chasing. We had our good and bad, baby. Sometimes we were smooth and sometimes out of control. Gotta learn just how to be fine without you. Be fine without you. When you call me up and sound so sweet, there's nothing to blame. But when you don't pick up for days on end, I see my mistake. I'm out of patience. Come out and say it, that it's over now, so I can stop chasing. tight and sometimes oceans apart. Gotta learn just how to move on without you. Move on without you. Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, I need the better, better you.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh,
maintain through quarantine. So I hope you found some tips. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed my channel, then please subscribe. I would love to have you. I also have a Leanne Hewitt at home on my Instagram, so head over to Instagram, and also have some things on cleaning and home decor over there as well. So Ruby, do you have anything you want to say?
Well, I really do hope you enjoyed it because it took so much effort for us to actually like clean a lot of it. And we did do a bit of dancing, so don't judge us in that one. We did dance quite a lot. But our kitchen's tidy now, so
There you go. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in our next video.
bye.
Bye.
With that girl